So anyway, Shady Grove. Well, I used to wander the city streets, and I wandered far and wide, but I never found true happiness till I moved to the countryside. And now follow me for a quiet ride, out riding on the trail, away from smog and traffic fog, where all the pigs have tails. Shady Grove, Shady Grove, Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my own true love. Oh, well, I am bound for Shady Grove. Oh, well, if you've been watching the city streets and they don't seem to get much greener, well, I'll know where we're going to. Our heads will feel much cleaner out in Shady Grove, Shady Grove, Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my own true love. Oh, well, I am bound for Shady Grove. Well, I long to be out in the woods, living with the trees. It's easy to know who you are when you're living with the bees. Out in Shady Grove, Shady Grove, Shady Grove, my darling, Shady Grove, my own true love. Oh, well, I'm bound for Shady Grove. Now I'm going to do a song for you in the Shady Grove genre. There's many versions of the song Shady Grove, and later my partner here in this musical concert, Nathaniel, will do another early precursor version going back to the medieval period. But this is the most recent, more or less, I would call the hippie version of Shady Grove, and one of my favorite versions. And I think this one was designed for the Back to the Landers in the day. So I used the version from the Quicksilver Messenger Service, which I have basically done for folk style. So anyway, Shady Grove.